I built a trackball that rotates 3D models exactly like the ball. This is Rotatrix, a 3-axis trackball that senses how the ball twists. In Blender, I can hold down a key to switch from the mouse cursor to orbiting the viewport. It pivots the whole model around the cursor. Now I can turn the model so naturally as if it's in my hand. I can tilt and spin the model and also roll it on its face. That third degree of freedom gives me much more control over a mouse. Notice how naturally I can rotate to look directly at the violin. With middle click dragging, you only have 2 degrees of freedom, so there are some orientations that you just can't reach. Some users might use the trackball rotation mode, but because the mouse is inherently 2D, it takes many more clicks to control the roll. By default, I get continuous control, but I can also hold a button to snap to axis-aligned views. I can add the shift key to pan and zoom. Twisting the ball zooms in and out as if I'm pushing and pulling the model. To navigate larger scenes, I added free camera mode. Now I can roll the ball as if it's on a tabletop. Roll to move forward, back, and side to side. Twisting the ball turns the camera. To move vertically, I hold down an extra button and roll up and down. For continuous motion, I can hold down another key to control my velocity instead of my position. With a bit of practice, the free camera mode gives me very precise control for fine-tuning the camera position. When I go back to the built-in walk and fly mode, it feels a lot clunkier because the keyboard is a binary input, while the ball gives continuous control. The Rotatrix works great as a regular mouse too, because it's built on a high-end trackball. I'm using it every day now for both pointing and 3D navigation. I've started producing these in small batches, and the first users have given me great feedback. They've found new ways to configure it and suggested new features. There's a full customization engine for modifiers, axis maps, and sensitivity, all configurable for each app. I'm opening a second batch of orders and making fast progress on new software integrations. You can buy the Rotatrix now at rotatrix.com or sign up for updates to follow along.